What's up everyone? My name is Jay from Ronin Scooter PH and welcome to the Ronin Dojo. So this video will be about the proper technique sa pag-fold ng Ronin Alpha 2.0. Actually, this video has been requested by our riders. Especially yung mga riders natin who ordered the Ronin Alpha 2.0 via our official Lazada page. Since hindi namin siya ma-demo in person. Actually, may mga tutorial videos naman kami sinisend. Pero in this video, it will be more detailed, a step-by-step process kung paano i-fold yung Ronin Alpha 2.0 in a proper technique. Actually, yung folding mechanism ng mga bagong units ngayon or yung mga bagong batch, in-adapt yung folding mechanism of the Ronin Alpha 1, which is a step-type folding. As some of you guys know, medyo mahirap sa umpisa i-fold even though na it's already a step-type folding. To be honest, ganun din yung na-feel ko until we got the proper technique kung paano siya i-fold na mas madali and mas convenient. For example, nag-ride ka ng scooter, kailangan na i-fold, di mo na kailangan yung muko. You can simply trigger the folding mechanism with your feet, gamit yung legs nyo, gamit yung paa, and you can fold it easier and faster. Pero please take note na hindi siya basta-basta mag-fold without a proper technique. Kasi if you just step on it, matigas siya. So this is actually a additional security feature para hindi nyo accidentally ma-trigger yung folding while riding. So it's actually mas safe for the riders natin. So ano ba yung proper technique? Actually, we have 3 steps kung paano mas mapadali or mas mapabilis yung pag-fold ng Ronin Alpha 2.0. So let's check. So to properly fold the scooter, let's start with the handlebars. Dito naman wala masyadong questions, madali siya makuha agad. And all you need to do is just follow the arrows. So we will just pull the lock towards the grips and marirelease na siya. Same sa other side, pull the lock. Pero sometimes medyo matigas yung lock. So one technique here will be to put force pataas. I-lift nyo ng konti yung sa may grips, yung part ng handlebar. Tapos saka nyo hilahin. So it will be much easier. So dito naman tayo sa quick release of the telescopic stem. So madali lang to, all you need to do is release the lock. Tapos unscrew nyo lang para mas madali siya ibaba. So guys, dito naman tayo sa actual folding of the stem. So step 1 is to hold the brakes. Para lang hindi gumalaw yung unit natin habang fina-fold. So step 2, habang naka-hold yung brakes, ipupush lang natin ng konti yung stem paharap para mag-loosen up yung locking mechanism niya. So we just tilt it a bit. Hindi naman sobra. Actually, mabilis lang to eh. You can fold the scooter in about like 2 seconds. So put force paharap and isasabay na natin yung pag-trigger ng folding. So again guys, step 1, hold the brake para lang hindi gumalaw yung unit natin. Step 2, mag-apply tayo ng konting pressure paharap or push the stem a bit forward. Tapos habang ginagawa natin yon, sabay trigger sa folding mechanism using your feet. So again guys, hold the brake, push forward, and step. So guys, that's the proper technique on how to fold the Ronin Alpha 2.0 na mas convenient and mas madali. Pero in case if may mga questions pa kayo or kailangan pa ng additional help, you can message us on our official Facebook page, Ronin Scooter PH, and we will be happy to help you. So again, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Always remember to ride safe and stay safe. See you next time. Ronin, peace.